Are your eyes constantly tired after a long workday? Do you struggle with headaches or blurry vision? You might be suffering from digital eye strain, a common issue caused by excessive screen time. But don't worry. In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful techniques to protect your eyes, improve your workspace, and boost productivity. One of the easiest ways to reduce eye strain is by following the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Dr. Stephen Reed, president of the American Optometric Association, compares staring at a screen for hours to holding a light weight above your head without resting. Eventually, your muscles get tired. Giving your eyes a break helps prevent fatigue. Your workspace also plays a big role in reducing eye strain. Here are 3 simple adjustments to improve your comfort. 1. Screen position. Keep your monitor an arm's length away and slightly below eye level to encourage a natural downward gaze. 2. Text size and display. Increase font size and use larger monitors to reduce eye strain. 3. Lighting. Avoid glare by positioning screens perpendicular to windows and using soft lighting. You may have heard that blue light glasses protect against digital eye strain, but research suggests otherwise. According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, blue light isn't the real issue. It's how long we stare at screens without breaks. Instead of relying on blue light glasses, prioritize screen breaks and proper ergonomics to truly reduce discomfort. Want to take your eye care to the next level? Try these additional tips. Blink more often. Staring at screens reduces blink rates, causing dry eyes. Use eye drops. Artificial tears can help maintain moisture. Reduce nighttime screen time. Avoid screens at least 1 to 2 hours before bed for better sleep. Get outdoors. If you work long hours on screens, spend at least 2 hours outside daily to reduce eye strain. By following these simple strategies, you can reduce eye strain, boost productivity, and feel more comfortable throughout the day. So, remember, take breaks, adjust your workspace, and give your eyes the care they deserve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more workplace wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.